gold medal at 60 kilos between a couple of guys who have had success. For Kyrgyzstan, Sharanshenbekov, the 1 seed, the reigning world silver medalist in Norway last year, while for NEDJAD of Iran, he was the Asian silver medalist in Almaty a year ago. One of 4 finalists for Iran tonight. And it's a different looking team, let's be honest. You look at who Iran has sent to these Asian championships, it's a completely different team from the one that we saw at the Olympic Games and also the World Championships in Oslo. It speaks volumes of the type of depth that Iran has right now in Greco-Roman. Sharanshenbekov doing a good job of initiating the contact. Couple of shoulder shrugs, controlling the center. Referee warning NEDJAD to pick it up a little bit or he might go down first in this opening period. And here comes the whistle, and it will be Sharanshenbekov to go parterre. Kyrgyzstan won 2 gold medals.
200'дөн OTV телеканалы 60 күнгө акысыз. Акция жаңы О абоненттери үчүн гана. Переходи на О плюс OTV тарифтеринин линейкасына кошулабыз. Жылдызча 750, жылдызча 3 торчо буйрутмасын теребиз да 200'дөн ашуун каналда акысыз көрөбүз. Спорт, балдардын каналы, жаңылыктар, фильмдер, сериалдар дароо 3 түзүлүштө. Интернет, чалуулар, социалдык тармактар, мессенджерлер баары бир тарифте. Переходи на О плюс OTV. Сага керектүүлөрдүн баары.
Last night, entering today the number 2 team behind Kazakhstan. Kyrgyzstan going back-to-back in gold medal victories in the opening night of competition. Now their first crack at gold. It's stand-up position. Quickly, Sharanshenbekov jumps over to the right side of the body of the Iranian underneath. Now he goes into an explosive stand-up, but look at the defense underneath by NEDJAD. Heavy steps, just not allowing Sharanshenbekov to get any type of momentum built. One more burst of energy here. Trying to position and secure his grip, but he has no chance to pull off any type of throw. Terrific defense by NEDJAD. Keep that last sequence in mind as we go deeper into this match. That could be pivotal. See the left shoulder of NEDJAD all patched up, the protective bandage. This is a one-day tournament this year at the Asian Championships. China did not come for Greco-Roman competition. So that took away some of the competitors in the field. So unlike the Europeans, which is a 2-day set, these wrestlers going 2 and 3 matches all in one day. Big bull rush there coming from Sharanshenbekov. Defensive battle, short time wrestling in this first period, and not much is going to be settled. Sharanshenbekov with a missed opportunity from parterre, and after 3 minutes, a 1-0 lead for Kyrgyzstan. Good look at Sharanshenbekov. Was rolled over and might tweak something in his left side. That's where the spray, the magical freezing spray, will be applied as we take another look at it here. You see as he tries to kind of come back into the body of Šaršenbekov. Just might have tweaked an ab muscle, but it looks like he's going to be all right. Off the medical trainer. Still hunched over, trying to collect his breath. And if you're Šaršenbekov, now you smell blood in the water. You can bet he's going to try to keep up this intensity. Yeah, you can tell the discomfort here for NEDJAD. He is clearly hurting. Trying to get some air into his lungs, and it's one of those types of deals that
Ladies and gentlemen, and the winner is Жоламан Шаршенбеков, Kyrgyzstan.
Ой,